How to fix auto update messengers. Firstly, you have to install the Messenger app in your Android. Just you have to click on the Messenger app, open it on your Android. Just you have to click on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. Click on the gear option and you will see here there is an option of notifications, and after that you will see that we can see there is a app updates. Just you have to click on it. Before clicking on this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on the app updates. You can see here auto update messenger. When you have turn off, then your messenger will not be auto updated. When you turn it on, by auto updating, turn notifications on, you will get your messenger app updated all the time. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.